Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the 2021 Ford F-150 in an XLT trim, and powered by a 3.5-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, providing you with plenty of power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing with some excellent fuel efficiency. Also coming with running boards down below so you can have an easier time getting in. But let's take a look inside. First, looking at the back seat, we have spacious seating for three that can be lifted up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo. And then in the middle, you have two cup holders that flip out like so, with a USB, USB-C, and 12-volt power outlet. And this truck does have a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your vehicle. And looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks. Now sitting in the vehicle with it running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right-hand side, you have your controls for your center info screen here, where you can look at your digital speedometer, trip information, driver assistance features and settings, fuel economy, Eco Coach with a digital speedometer as well, I believe, and then your comm screen. Moving on to the left, you have your cruise controls with your lane keeping system and hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom. Then moving on to your center info, or your infotainment screen, I should say, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable. Then you have your Bluetooth phone controls and your navigation screens. You're hopefully not going to get lost on your travels. Whatever apps you may have installed, settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle, and your general truck features such as driver assistance, towing, and owner's manual. Then shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera so you can see where you're going with dynamic hitch view, so you can zoom in and have an easier time hooking up a trailer. Then moving down, or actually moving up from that, you have your auto start stop shut off, your camera view, again, your hazards, and your traction control shut off. And moving down, you have your media controls and then your climate controls, pretty simple, easy to use. To the left, you have your Pro Trailer backup controller, trailer brake controller, and 4x4 controls with a locking rear differential and drive mode selector for normal, slippery, deep snow, sand, mud ruts. Then on the opposite end, you have tow haul, eco, and sport mode. Then moving on to the right, where you have a 12 volt with a USB and USB-C, as well as this compartment here for more storage. Then moving down, you have another 12 volt with USB and USB-C, as well as this shelf where you can put your device while it's charging or something like that. Moving on to your column shifter, which does have select shift, so you can manually shift through your gears. And then your center console area, where you have two cup holders and your center compartment / armrest, which is pretty spacious. But then this does lift up and out of the way to become your 5th passenger seat and 6th seat overall, so plenty of seating in this truck, as well as having another lockable compartment underneath there for more storage. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.